Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Bigroom in FL Studio Mobile. Start with a nice melody. Add bass notes. Add pads for ambience. In the verse, add another melody. And some more elements. For the drop lead I took half of both melody. After combining them we get this. Now layer it with more leads. In the second drop, I took the half melody one octave up, like this. Now make drums. Add bass lines. Add some FX. Make build up. Now tip of the video. On master channel add a high pass filter like this. Then the sound will get much cleaner. Now let's listen to the final result. I hope you liked the video. And I want to thank all the lovely people who subscribed. Thank you so much. If you want to download the FLM, link is in the description.